Hello everyone, this is Newark Aviation, and today I have an unboxing video. Today we're going to be unboxing two models from Gemini jets. Here we have the American Airlines Airbus A321 and a really special one, the Delta Embraer E175. This one is been on high demand for a while now. I think for a few years, and yeah, Gemini just finally came out with a new Embraer 175, which is awesome. So we'll keep that one for later because that's a special model. So we'll just open up the American Airlines Airbus A321 first. Here it is. Looks like everything is in good shape. Alright. Well, the engines are actually really good down. They're not touching the ground or anything. It's great. Alright, anyways, let's take a look at this model. If the camera would focus. Let's zoom in. Alright, right here we have the cockpit windows, I think. Hold on. I think they did a good job with the cockpit windows. Anyways, here we have the One World sticker, American Airlines titles. Here are your engines. And then here's the L1 door, the L2 door, L3, I think, or L2, and that's just an emergency exit, another emergency exit, I'm not really sure. Here's the tail, the American Airlines tail. Here are the horizontal stabilizers. And yeah, overall, this is a really nice model. Alright. Now let's open up the Delta Embraer 175. Let's put this one to the side. This is a really nice model. I think this was a June model for Gemini jets, June 2023. Now I'm really looking forward to this. I think this is going to be a good addition to my collection because now I have Delta Connection and American Eagle. All I gotta do is just find United Express. United Express is really hard to find. They haven't really made any models, and most of them are expensive off eBay. They're all like $100 for like an ERJ 145. Wow, this looks really nice. Alright, and here is the Delta Connection. Let me get that, an eraser shavings on my desk. Alright, that's really good. Sometimes I really hate the iPhone camera because it just like it focuses on like the smallest particles ever. Like that. That's just really annoying. Alright, that's good. Alright, so here's the Delta titles. Here's the cockpit windows. Delta Connection. Registration is November 274, Sierra Yankee. Here's the Delta tail. Here is the horizontal stabilizer. Here you have the Sky Team sticker right there. And right there, oh my god. Right there it says... This is actually disappointing. This is like for an iPhone 14 camera. That's actually disappointing. It says SkyWest, so Yeah, but that's like really annoying how it's just blurry. And this is supposed to be like a really nice camera. Yep, that's the best I can get. So, and I forgot to do the American Airlines registration. November 421 Uniform Whiskey. So, yep, this was a former U.S. Airways. Looks like because of the Uniform Whiskey. Yeah, which is cool. Let's get these two models together. And yeah, that's gonna conclude the unboxing video. Hope you all enjoyed it. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you want more aviation content just like this. And thank you for watching.